Hello guys, welcome you all in today's video. So today we'll talk about the MH Law CET 3 years, all the top colleges according to your score. So guys, I got lot of queries from the students regarding the top colleges, their rankings, their respective cutoff, what are the average colleges and also what are the below colleges. So let me tell you guys, average colleges or below average college, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. But yeah, we can say that according to your score, some of the colleges will accept the high score, some of the colleges will accept the low CET score, and on that basis you can get the admission easily. So we can say that the colleges who accept the high score, हम उसे कह सकते हैं top colleges, and who accept the low scores, we can say that the average colleges and the below average colleges. So as student ask me lot of questions regarding all these colleges, sir top college कौन सी है, average colleges कौन सी है और below average कौन सी है, क्योंकि top colleges 1 or 2% student will get the admission in that, and we should know about the average colleges and the below average colleges. So very first one guys, in this video we'll talk about the my score, what exactly your score should be 1 to whatever you got the score. So you got the 120 plus mark, then guys definitely you will get entered into the GLC Mumbai, right? Now in this video we'll talk about all the A grade and B grade colleges, their respective cutoffs and the seat availability also, so that you will be aware what exactly my place and which are the colleges I can enter in those particular colleges. Either these all are the top colleges, average colleges and the below average colleges. So guys, the motto behind making this video is nothing but 2021, the MH Law CET 2021 is coming up now. Now it will be held in the month of August. So right now May end, so you only have June month and the July month. So 2 months, or we can assume 15 to 20 days more in the August month. So guys, you have around 75 to 80 days for the preparation, and that is for 2021. So guys, if you have started your preparation and if you have targeted any colleges, I know you will target only top colleges first. Then according to your score you will get into particular college. But guys, jo bhi ho, with respect to your preparation, you should target only top colleges first. So we'll talk about all the top colleges and some average colleges in the tier 1 cities of Maharashtra state. So stay tuned with me throughout this video. And guys, if you have started your preparation, now collecting all your doubts, if you want strategies, guys, you can join to the Manwa online program where you will get interact live with us. You will get access for the ebooks, shortcut tricks, doubt class, recorded videos, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made. Throughout this period, 10,000 plus questions will be solved, and you will get the mentorship by our mentors. Now, if you want to join the crash course program, then you will get access for the ebooks for 2021. If you are preparing for 2022 or 2023, you will receive the books at your doorstep. So guys, if you want a preparation with us for any of the exam, MH Law CET 3 years or 5 years, CLAT, DU LLB, BHU Law, SLAT, ILET and all other law entrance exams, boost your preparation with us. Book your seat now. Call on 8828581455 or you can visit our website manvaedu.com/lawentrance. Now let's move to our main topic. We'll talk about the first tier 1 city, the Mumbai. Guys, if you talk about the Mumbai based colleges, you're already aware about that. Mumbai में सबसे ज़्यादा law colleges है, right guys? Now, which is the first one? No doubt, the GLC Mumbai. It is a government college, cutoff 105 plus. Now this is as per the 2020 number of students were also less, and now in 2021 it might be increased. Okay guys, so competition बहुत tough होने वाला guys, you should prepare, and the seat intake here is nothing but the 300. So guys, very first one, here I am listing the A grade colleges and the B grade colleges. That doesn't mean B grade colleges वो है जिनमें कुछ facilities नहीं है या फिर colleges कुछ अच्छी नहीं है. Guys, these all are the good colleges, but yes, they accept the low cutoff marks. Okay, now very first one the GLC, second one the KCCL, Krishnachand Chelaram College of Law, 97 plus 240 seats intake. GJ Advani, again the unaided minority college, 94 plus, and seat intake is nothing but 240. JCCL, Jitendra Chauhan College of Law, thereafter Siddharth College, Rizvi Law College, again the minority college, 85 plus ka cutoff. Progressive Education Societies, Dr. Ambedkar College, 85. TMC Thane, Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Thane Municipal Corporation, College of Law, 79 ka cutoff and 240 seat is there. Advocate Balasaheb Apte College, 74, and MKS College of Law, 66 plus. So guys, these all are the A grade colleges you should target first. Thereafter, you can look further for Lord's Universal, Children Welfare, Nalanda Law College, Vivekananda Education Societies, and lot of colleges are there. But now in my list, These all are the colleges you should target. Now look into these particular colleges, their respective cutoffs, their seat intake, and then make any of the one college as your dream college, and then start your preparation accordingly. So let's move further. Now we'll talk about the Pune based top colleges. Always first the ILS cutoff 100 plus, seat intake is 16. Thereafter the normal Firodia 87 plus 180. Shankar Rao Chauhan College, again one of the top college in Pune. Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Law, situated at Shivaji Nagar, Ganeshkhind, 65 plus cutoff. Yashwantrao Chauhan Law College, thereafter Dr. D.Y. Patil Unitech Pimpri, SNPP Law College, and the Balaji Law College at Wakad. So these all are the top colleges. You should put all these in your preference list first. Thereafter, if you not got these all colleges, then you can also target Sinhagad Law College, Abhinav Education Society's Law College, Shri Shivaji Maratha Society's Law College, Vasantrao Pawar Law College, and AKK New Law Academy, Pune. Now this one is the minority college. So guys, these all are the Pune based colleges. Now we'll talk about the Nagpur. Now you heard about the Rashtrasant Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University main branch. Okay, now it also offers the 3 years programs. Now in this college there is 60 seat intake. Now cutoff 60 to 70. Now guys, lot of students who got 100 or 102 or 95, they also preferred this particular college. And why? Because they doesn't want to move from their city to another city. So all the Nagpur students जिनको मुंबई नहीं आना है या पुणे नहीं जाना है, okay, they can target in their respective place. आप इन सारी colleges को target कर सकते हो because these also are the top colleges in the Maharashtra. Thereafter, the Dr. Ambedkar Law College, Diksha Bhumi, the very reputed one. Guys, it is also located at the holy place Diksha Bhumi. Now, surrounding wise, this college is best. Location wise, this college is one of the best college in Nagpur. Cutoff 66 plus. You can easily target, and seat intake is nothing but 120. Thereafter, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar College, City Branch. Now, this one is the main branch, and this is at the City Branch. 60 plus cutoff and 60 seat is there. Central India College of Law, one of the best college in Nagpur. Although cutoff 60 plus or 65 plus, हमेशा इतना ही रहता, but guys, ranking wise this is also a good college in Maharashtra. And if you talk about the campus, then one of the best campus in Nagpur. So 60 cutoff and 120 seat. Now we'll talk about the B grade colleges. GS Raizoni, 56 plus का cutoff and 120 seat. Then Govindrao Vanjari College of Law, 50 plus का cutoff and 60 seats. We'll talk about the Nashik here. Okay, now all those colleges in the Nashik, these all are affiliated with the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Okay, so very first one, the Navjivan Law College, 61 plus cutoff and 60 seat. NB Thakur Law College, Gokhale Education Society's Narhar Balwant Thakur College of Law, 57 का cutoff and 240 seats. KBH Law College, one of the best college in Nashik, Karmavir Bhausaheb Hirai College of Law, 55 का cutoff and 60 seat. Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj Law College, 180 seats and 55 plus cutoff. Guys, whatever cutoff I mentioned here, you should add 5 to 10 more in these all cutoff. Because guys, 2020 के हिसाब से देखें, then cutoff level कुछ कम था. Now 2021 again competition increase हो सकता है. And if you want to target 2022 or 2023, then guys 10 to 15 marks तो add करना ही है. Because once you will target 120 का target रखोगे, definitely you will reach up to 100 or 110, and that is also a good score. But you should target always high. एक टारगेट हाई रखोगे, देन अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आपको मॉक टेस्ट देते रहना है. सो वंस यू विल गिव द मॉक टेस्ट, यू विल गेट कंप्लीट एनालिसिस ऑफ योर प्रिपरेशन, आप कौन सी पर्टिकुलर स्टेज पर हो अभी. सो द मेन मोटो, अगेन आई एम सेइंग, द मेन मोटो ऑफ मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इज नथिंग बट आप अपनी कॉलेज लिस्ट तैयार कर सको. विच कॉलेज आई शुड टारगेट, विच पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज आई शुड टारगेट. हाँ, बस मुझे इसी में एडमिशन चाहिए, नो अदर कॉलेज. GLC then GLC, ILS then ILS, शंकरराव चौहान then शंकरराव चौहान. सेंट्रल इंडिया, यस, मैं वहाँ से निकल नहीं सकता बाहर तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं नागपुर में हूँ, नागपुर में ट्राई करूँगा. अगर मैं औरंगाबाद में हूँ, औरंगाबाद में ट्राई करूँगा, वहाँ की बेस्ट कॉलेज में एडमिशन लूँगा. That should be your attitude. Now we'll talk about the Aurangabad. Now you also heard about the Manikchand Pahade Law College. Guys, इसका कट ऑफ ऊपर नीचे हमेशा होता रहता है. Last to last year in 2019, one of the student got 102 marks and also enter into the MP Law College Aurangabad. 65 to 70 का कट ऑफ होता है. It can be jumped to 10 marks more. So guys, think accordingly and target accordingly. 60 seats only. Dr. Ambedkar College of Law, Nagsenwana. Now this is also the best college in Aurangabad. 240 seats are there. एंड 59 प्लस का कट ऑफ। वसंत राव जी काले लॉ कॉलेज 55 प्लस 60 सीट्स एंड वी एन पाटिल लॉ कॉलेज 50 का कट ऑफ 60 सीट्स। सो गाइज डोंट थिंक कट ऑफ अगर लो है देन आप बिलो एवरेज कॉलेजेस में जा रहे हो, नॉट एट ऑल गाइज। सम ऑफ द कॉलेजेस जिनका नाम हो चुका है, विच आर द ओल्डेस्ट वन, गिव्स द बेस्ट प्लेसमेंट, हैज द ग्रेट फैसिलिटीज, हैज द ग्रेट फैकल्टी, डेफिनेटली उनका कट ऑफ स्कोर हाई होगा। एंड ऑल्सो tier 1 cities. So guys, this is all from the my end. It all depends on my research part. Okay, I mentioned the cutoff, seat intake and the top colleges you can target. Okay, now according to your preparation, if you are preparing for 2021, as I said, only 75 to 80 days का time, thereafter 2022 and 2023 के लिए preparation कर रहे हो guys, then you should add 10 to 15 marks in all these cutoff list और अपना टारगेट मान के चलो, यस मुझे उसी कॉलेज में एंटर करना है। जीएलसी पाहिजे तर जीएलसीच पाहिजे, आयएलएस नको, आयएलएस पाहिजे तर आयएलएसच पाहिजे, दुसरी आणखी नको। And if you talk about the competition level always increases. So mark one of the college as your top college. If you have any doubts and query, ask me in the below comment section and we'll try to answer all of your queries. Okay guys, so if you want a preparation with us, you can join for 2022 or 2023 programs. You can join live classes, classroom preparations, books, mock, GD, VAT, interview or mentorship programs. Call on these respective numbers. If you want exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or you can also join our Telegram group. So guys, all link I mentioned in the description. Kindly check those links and don't forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel, Manor Law Entrance. So that's it. Thank you very much guys. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.